Design something amazing in xTool Creative Space and need to reopen your project file? These XCS files contain everything you need for laser cutting and engraving. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and work with these xTool Creative Space project files. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party XCS file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. An XCS file is a project file created by xTool Creative Space, the design software for xTool laser cutters and engravers. Users create and save XCS files to store all project elements, including vector paths, image placements, and machine settings, for a specific laser cutting or engraving job. The .xcs format is a container, likely a compressed archive, holding various assets like SVG vectors, raster images, and an XML or JSON file for project settings. This design allows it to bundle all dependencies into a single portable file for easy sharing and reopening without losing data. The default recognized opener for XCS files is known to be xTool Creative Space from xTool. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows can show thumbnails, but layered or advanced edits require full design programs. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the XCS file and select Open With. Test xTool Creative Space if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the XCS format uniquely. If your XCS file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your XCS file is not opening. First, opening in xTool Creative Space. Download and install xTool Creative Space from the xTool website. Launch the application and use File then Open to load the XCS project file. The software displays your design with all layers, cut settings, and material configurations exactly as saved, enabling continued editing and laser job preparation. Next, updating software version. If the XCS file fails to open, verify your xTool Creative Space version matches or exceeds the version that created the file. Older software cannot read newer XCS formats. Check for updates within the application or download the latest version from xTool to ensure compatibility with the project file. Finally, exporting design elements. Within xTool Creative Space, export design elements to standard formats like SVG, PNG, or DXF for use in other applications. Use File then Export and select your preferred format. This allows sharing designs with users who don't have xTool Creative Space or moving designs to other CID or design software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.